Are you freaking kidding me? Yeah, there it is. Hey YouTube, I'm Danny and welcome to another hot sauce video. Today we're going to be looking at this, the crazy beep sauce, Carolina Reaper and blueberry. I'm not going to say the middle word, just in case there's kids watching, even though they can read, but that's what we're going to check out today. Carolina Reaper and blueberry, 5 hot plus. Okay, so I got this from hotsauceemporium.co.uk. I got a few things from there, so you might even mention them a couple of times in a few videos. They're not sponsoring me or nothing. If they'd like to, I'd always love to. Anyway, moving on. Yeah, so I got it from Hot Sauce Emporium. I've got a bit of info on it here. It says it's 65,000 Scoville unit, which should be a decent kick to it. Decent heat level. So I'll go through the ingredients for you guys. Okay, so I'll show you the ingredients on the back. It's just this bit here. Okay, ingredients: peppers, onion, vinegar, apples, blueberries 10%, Carolina Reaper, chili 6.6%, limes, olive oil and sea salt. Nice. The guy on front looking all intense, like my moustache. Okay, so it's from a company in Germany, Berlin. They make a lot of this sauce, a lot of different kind of crazy beep sauce, a lot of different varieties. This is the first one I'm trying because I love blueberries, and let's get it open. So I think this would actually be good on, what would we got on? Probably, we'll try it and I'll let you know. I'll see what it might be like. So I'm going to give it a good shake. Get it all mixed up. You could actually see in the middle, it looks like there is bits of peppers floating around in it. Not too sure if you can see the side. There is a lot of stuff floating around in it. See it better on the spoon. Ooh. So I am smelling the chili, a bit of the vinegar. It's not overpowering, the vinegar smell, but you can smell the vinegar and the onion as well. I smell onion strong. Now onion's second, so onion's second on the ingredient, so maybe that's why that's getting so strong. The pepper, onion, vinegar. Okay, I'll do this here on the spoon for you guys. Like it's a bit of oil on top there, so I'm going to give it a shake. Well, give it a shake, guys. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll carry on bringing these hot videos to you. Right, so I'll put that on there. Let's chuck it that way so I can actually show you guys the bottle. It comes out nice, it pours nicely. There we go. I don't know how hot it'll be. It says 65 million Scoville. That'd be nice. 65,000 Scoville. I don't want to drop any. So, the crazy beep sauce, Carolina Reaper and blueberry. Cheers. Uh-oh. I can feel hiccups going. Are you freaking kidding me? Yeah, there it is. I can't believe it. I never get hiccups off camera. As soon as the camera's rolling. Are you freaking kidding me? It's 65,000 Scoville. And it give me hiccups. Okay. Unbelievable. Okay. So okay. So the flavours I was getting through straight away. It was the peppers, definitely the bit of vinegar, but the vinegar, should I say? Try that again. Definitely the peppers and vinegar was strong. I'm not getting a huge amount of blueberries. You can taste them because I love blueberries. I love blueberries. So you can taste the blueberries coming through. I wasn't really getting any lines, but that's quite low down on the list. But it's really nice. Would I have this on my eggs in the morning? I would have this on my eggs in the morning. Definitely on eggs. Definitely on pizza. Might go well on like a burger as a burger sauce. Grilled chicken. If I had grilled chicken, that would definitely be nice. Hiccups have gone. Unbelievable. Yeah, you can. There is a good bit of heat to it. Like my lips are on fire. Not hugely, but you can feel the sensation on my lips, both sides of my cheeks, all my tongue, and just at the top of my throat at the back. Yeah, this is nice. I'm going to have another spoonful. Do you think I'll get hiccups again? Here goes. So, we'll double. You do get the apple coming through as well. You get a sweet, and I think it's the apples that comes through that sweet. Would I put this on my rice? I probably would put this on rice as well. Definitely put it on rice. Yeah, that's nice. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I would. I do like it actually. I think I would. I think I'd have this at breakfast if I was having scrambled egg or an omelette and put it on that. I think it'd go well in there because it's got a good amount of kick to it. Definitely. Okay guys, so that was that sauce for today, the crazy beep sauce. Okay guys, remember I've got the Death Nut Challenge 2.0 or the Gummy Bear Challenge. Which one do I do first? I want you guys to comment, leave a comment and tell me which one you'd rather see me do first and I'll get that done. Again, so this was the video again for this. Ooh, it does leave a good amount of heat in your mouth. How long have I had this in my mouth for? About 3 minutes and I can still feel there's a big amount of flavour coming out of this. It doesn't leave your mouth, the flavour. You get a heat, but the flavour intensifies with the heat. It's good. 100% reckon this. They do a lot of other flavours, so I would try some others. I don't know if you can actually see. There's big chunks in it. There is a decent... off camera. I'm not too sure you can see the chunks there. There's big chunks in there. Yeah, it's good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. And again, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll carry on bringing more videos here. So, the next video, which one will it be? Death Nut 2.0? Gummy Bear. You decide. See ya.